Hey, how's it going? This is Matthew Ashton for MiU1308. This is my Project 3 review video. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, I got my form over here on the left-hand side, built entirely into the index.html file. I think the easiest part of the assignment was actually just getting all of the form elements. I followed along with the videos that were provided. It was very easy to sit there and go through it and put them in the order that you needed, add ID tags, add labels, even including the placeholders was really easy. I just found it an overall smooth experience. It definitely is something that I thought was going to be a little difficult, but yeah, it turned out to be really great. I think it turned out really well. Obviously, I have some text inputs, drop down to select a different sport, slider bar with how important the game is in terms of priority, date of game, and then a little checkbox here for the favorite team playing. So the hardest part of the assignment and the most difficult part was getting add game to watch list to go to local storage. Obviously, I had to copy and paste over, the data from the old main JavaScript file, and then tweak it to match up with jQuery mobile, and that definitely took a while. Shout out to Steven, he really helped me out with getting it after I was about ready to pull my hair out trying to get everything to work properly. But yeah, he was able to give me some tips on what I could do to have it work properly with jQuery. And yeah, everything seemed to be working out fine now. It's able to save to local storage, which is what the overall, kind of main goal was for the add game to watch list. Information that I used from previous courses. I think I've said it a couple of times in my videos now, but just referencing past data, or not data, but referencing past sheets that I had in terms of HTML and CSS tags. That was really great. But then obviously I did actually go back and watch the VFW videos for the store data function. I used that as the resource to see if I could figure out what I was doing wrong, or just see what I could actually try and need to change to have it work with jQuery mobile. Information that I researched to complete this project. I did actually do a good bit of Googling to try and figure out how to get the store data function to work. I tried to see if there was any type of little things that I might have, been able to pick up. And actually, one of the things I noticed while Googling is that you need to change this to .val and then two parentheses rather than before it was .value. So that was one of the things I was able to find out in terms of having, the item for the store data function. So yeah, I think overall it was a really good week. As you can see, I have the different elements here. Was able to get the required tags in there, letting the user know what is required before they actually went to submit. If you were to try and click it, obviously it pops up with which ones are required. Yeah, I think it's a nice little app so far. We see prominent add game to watch list and the clear game button underneath it, and it technically is a mini button. And I also wanted to change up the bottom nav bar so that it is not fixed. So you'd have to scroll all the way down to the bottom just to avoid confusion with the add game button. So yeah, that's my project 3. Like I said, I think it turned out really well. I'm looking forward to project number 4 in the next couple of months as we continue to make this app way more useful. All right, see you guys next week.